Hi, my name's Sam. My role at North West Heating Solutions on a daily basis is looking after customer inquiries coming in and helping people on their search for electric heating and explaining to them why the Elcotherm brand that we do is different to many other forms of electric heating on the market.
My name is David. I run the company, it's my business. We're a family firm. We've got excellent staff retentions. We have been operating for almost 6 years. We've got many great recommendations and excellent referrals. A question that we do get asked by people quite often is about cost. To install a system like ours costs a similar amount to putting in any other decent form of heating. It's a real investment. Heating done well keeps you warm and happy, and hopefully saves you some money in your pocket too. To give people a good idea on cost, rather than quote on the phone, we believe in sending out an engineer to come and assess the home and to listen to requirements. So we give a proper quotation that's accurate so that we get the job done right and first time.
Quite often we remember our customers by name for years to come. That's really key for us. We're a family firm and we like to give that personal service and know that the heating that we're putting in place for people really is suitable for them and their home.
We're a Which Trusted Trader, which means we've been vetted by trading standards. We have a 25-year manufacturer's guarantee to give people peace of mind, and also a 4-year electronics guarantee, which means people can rely on the service that we provide and know for sure that they're going to get it looked after if anything were to go wrong.
To find out more about us, go to our website northwestheatingsolutions.co.uk or feel free to pick up the phone to myself, Sam, or my colleague Emily.